morning everybody, it's Monday once again and I welcome you to my Monday Money series. Well, I was talking about insurance plans a couple of weeks back, so this is like a continuation of that series. Today the product I'm going to talk about is Key Man Insurance, okay, or Key Woman Insurance. I'm sure if you're running your own business or you're in a company and there is a team that is there are always certain people, either the business owner or the director or some key person or woman or man who actually does a lot of work because of the charisma that they have, because of their personality, because of the way they go about doing their work, right? So अगर ऐसे बंदे को कुछ हो जाता है, then ideally then the business can suffer. So when you take a term plan or any plan for that matter for this key individual, it is called as Key Man Insurance. Like I was saying, you can buy a term insurance or you can buy a plan which is with returns. So 3 reasons why someone will love to consider Key Man Insurance is, number 1, it actually is a great loyalty or a retention tool. Because obviously अगर आप किसी की बंदे पे या business owner पे करोड़ों वर्थ का cover आप लेते हो, then it makes that employee especially feel special. So yeah, number 1 is loyalty addition or loyalty retention. Secondly is that the premium that is there can be completely claimed as a business expense. So there is a tax incentive to do that. And last but not the least, like I was saying, अगर आप business owner हो या आप अपने की employee के लिए ले रहे हो, अगर उन्हें कुछ हो जाता है, then by claiming that amount, you will actually be protecting your business. Sounds great. By the way, if you think that whether it is death or whether it is some kind of a problem, it can happen to somebody else, then I really want you to check out the papers continuously. Literally 10 days back, there was a couple who had just met in Bombay in the Nariman Point, and the wife literally got washed away, right? 2 days back, I was actually doing a program in Vadodara when I suddenly got a news that one of my clients, who's actually a pretty young guy in the company, he passed away because of a sudden heart attack. So please make sure that you do protect the key people in your organization or business with the help of Key Man policy. To know more, you can of course DM me or book a slot with me to talk to me on my calendar link. The details will be there in the caption. So that's it from my side. Stay tuned. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next Monday.